Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to enable microphone voice input button on Samsung keyboard. First let me open this messages app, tap on this icon, tap on this new message icon. This is a Samsung keyboard, but in this keyboard microphone voice input button is missing. I am going to enable. Method 1. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, tap on general management, tap on keyboard list and default, then enable this option, keyboard button on navigation bar, enable it, then enable Google voice typing, tap here, tap on OK, done. Then ensure that default keyboard is Samsung keyboard, then tap on this Samsung keyboard settings, tap here. These are the Samsung keyboard settings. Here go down, tap on voice input, then here set Google voice typing, done. Then let me go back to messages app, tap on this icon. So now here in the Samsung keyboard you can find microphone voice input button here. This is a microphone voice input button of Google voice typing. Let me test, tap here, hello, testing, see it's working. If you want to stop, just tap here, done. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2, again go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, go to general management, then tap on this Samsung keyboard settings. These are the Samsung keyboard settings. Here go down, tap on voice input. This time I am going to enable this Samsung voice input, tap here, done. Then go back, then open messages app. So now here in this Samsung keyboard you can see microphone voice input button of Samsung voice typing. Let me test, tap here, hello, testing, see it's working. If you want to stop, again tap here and stop, done. So these are the two methods to enable voice typing on Samsung keyboard. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.